Cessna 3 Uniform Mike, Cessna head is in left close traffic, right turn westbound approved, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 24, right turn approved for 333 Uniform Mike. Two four. Here we go, heels to the floor, power set. Thermometer is green, airspeed's alive. 50 knots. Rotate.
Ann Arbor Tower, Warrior 4098, Fox, holding short runway 24, ready for departure, staying in the pattern.
Warrior 4098 Foxtrot, Ann Arbor Tower, Cessna, the departure end is westbound, make left traffic, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Make left traffic, runway 24, cleared for departure, 98 Fox.
There's one.
Cherokee 98 Foxtrot, number 3, Cessna traffic ahead on downwind turning base.
Number 3 looking for traffic, 98 Fox.
Cessna 3 Uniform Mike, number 4, Cherokee traffic, just turning left downwind southwest corner of the field.
3 Uniform Mike's looking.
We've got the traffic in sight, 98 Fox.
Cessna 0 Tango Yankee and Arbor Ground, runway 24, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
One on base, one on downwind. Don't have one out there.
Cessna A12, runway 24, cleared for touch and go.
Requesting full stop, A12.
Cessna A12, cleared to land.
Clear to land, Cessna A12.
One. Slow down. So go carb heat, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. One, two.
And our tower along EC260, access Franco 24, VFR to the west.
Long Easy 260 Echo Zulu, Ann Arbor Tower, hold short.
Holding short 24 for Zero Zulu.
Cherokee 98 Foxtrot, runway 24, cleared for touch and go.
24, clear for touch and go, 98 Fox.
Cessna A12, turn right Alpha 2, same tensions.
Right up 2, taxi northwest T, Cessna A12.
Cessna A12, taxi northwest T's via Bravo Charlie.
Northwest T is Bravo Charlie with you, Cessna A12, have a good day.
Cessna 14 Bravo, extend your downwind, I'll call base for departure.
Stand downwind, 14 Bravo.
Three Uniform Mike has traffic on final in sight.
Cessna 3 Uniform Mike, number 2, cleared for touch and go, then make left traffic.
Clear for touch and go, number 2, then make left traffic for 3 Uniform Mike. Oh, carb heat, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. Got a ways. Oh, shot that.
Long Easy 0 Echo Zulu, can you take an immediate?
Zero Zulu, affirmative.
Long Easy 0 Echo Zulu, landing traffic on a 1.5 mile final, right turn westbound approved, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, Cherokee head is in left closed traffic.
Clear for takeoff, 260 easy.
Cessna 3 Uniform Mike, 1 departure prior your arrival. And Cessna 14 Bravo, you're just number 2 now, Cessna traffic on a 1 mile final.
14 Bravo, traffic in sight.
RP, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop.
Cessna 14 Bravo, runway 24, cleared for touch and go.
Runway 24, cleared for touch and go, 14 Bravo.
Power, flaps, carby.
Cherokee 98 Foxtrot number 2, Cessna traffic on a 2-mile final.
Number 2, behind us, Cessna on final, 98 Fox.
Traffic in sight, 14 Bravo.
Cessna 14 Bravo, roger.
Oh, carby, gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, wide arc, flaps 10, flaps 20. Lower it way down.
Cherokee 98 Foxtrot number 3, Cessna traffic ahead on downwind.
Number 3, behind us, Cessna on downwind, 98 Fox. Traffic in sight, 98 Fox.
Cherokee 98 Fox, roger. Cessna 14 Bravo, runway 24, cleared for touch and go.
Runway 24, cleared for touch and go, 14 Bravo. One four Bravo, requesting full stop.
Cessna 14 Bravo, roger, number 2, cleared to land.
Number 2, clear to land, 14 Bravo.
Long Easy Zero Echo Zulu, number 3, Cessna traffic midfield left downwind.
Number 3 for Zero.
Cherokee 9 right, Foxtrot number 3, long easy traffic opposite you on midfield right downwind.
Number 3, looking for traffic, 98 Fox.
Cessna 3 Uniform Mike, turn right off at 2, same tensions.
Northwest T's.
Cessna 3 Uniform Mike, taxi Northwest T's via Bravo Charlie.
Northwest T's via Bravo Charlie. 3, Uniform Mike. Alright, after landing, flaps up, mixture is lean, car P is off, strobes, landing gear off.